Welcome, Gary Green Agents. Today I'm going to show you how to put the Welcome to Houston video on your Gary Green sites. So the first thing you need to do is go to the site GaryGreenTraining.com, GaryGreenTraining.com, and you will see a link on the left to Houston Video. One of the things I want you to pay attention to is the video may be used for Gary Green agents to put on their websites as long as you are an agent with Gary Green. So I just wanted to make that clear. You're welcome to share it all day long with your family and friends, and we don't care who shares it because we want them to share it with each other. There's a share button right here that can share it on Facebook. When I click that, you'll see the URL. There's icons right here to share it. Right now I want to show you to get the code to put it on your website so that it will play and people can go to your website and it will play there. So the advantage of sharing it, of putting it on your website, is that now you can share your website, and when they go there they can not only see the video, but maybe they want to look for home, see more about you. So I think there's advantage of sharing it from your website than just sharing the video itself. To get it onto your website, we need to first get a URL, and we will not use the share button here to get the URL that we're going to put on the website. You want to put your cursor over the video and right click, not left click, and get the copy video URL. So get your mouse over that verbiage, copy video URL, and left click, and now we've copied that. So now we need to paste that and put that on your website. So I'm going to go to GaryGreen.com, and depending on what features your other, if you have a non-Gary Green website, if you have another vendor, depending on what features, you might be able to use these instructions. Otherwise you'll want to do the next set when I talk about embedding it, because all the websites you should be able to embed it. But right now we're going to do it with a URL, so I'm going to log in to Broker Agent Admin, and I have a sample site. Thank you, Dan. So I'm going to log in. I'm going to click My Website. We want to click About Me because that is the page that we want to edit. It is the home page of your website, and over here there's a button called Edit. Some of your websites may look different depending on if you've done any edits or in here. The advantage to the process we're going to do now is by inserting the video. By using the URL, it will be inserted wherever I have my cursor. So if I want it at the top of my website, if I put the cursor there, hit enter a couple of times, and you can see the cursor is now here, then that's where it would be inserted. If I want to keep some verbiage down here and put the video somewhere over here, I can do that. What I like to do is wherever my cursor is, I want to, if your cursor's on the left, go ahead and hit this align center button up here, and that will center the video on the screen. Without hitting the align center, it will be aligned left, just so that you'll know. So I want mine centered, so I've hit align center. Now we're going to insert the video. We're almost done. Going to click the little film strip. It says Insert, Edit, Embedded Media. I'm going to click that. A screen will pop up. We're going to leave it flash. I'm going to paste the URL. When I click into dimensions, it will fill in the dimensions, and you can change those larger or smaller. The dimensions that you have when you right click and get the URL are a nice size, so you can just leave those there and click insert. Once you click insert, you will get a yellow box and you've done it correctly. You just won't see it until you preview it. So if that looks like the place you want to put it, we're going to hit save. And now once you save it, you'll be able to see it I'm going to click my website. And there you go. You have a nice video on here. I can see right now that maybe I wanted a little more space in here. So down at the bottom I see broker agent admin. I'm going to hit edit. And I want an extra space, so I'm just going to hit enter a couple of more times. Sometimes what you see is not what you get on here. You may have to hit enter a few more times for it to show. I'm going to hit my website again and see if I have the spacing correct. And now I have a little spacing there and I'm fine. So now that you have the video on your site, let's just look at a couple of things you can do with it. Of course, they can hit play and it shows up as a nice size on your website. If you want to view it in full screen, there's a button on the right that says full screen, and you can see it's a nice resolution. They can view it full screen. Hitting the escape key takes them back to your website. If they want to share it, when they mouse over, there is a share button, and that is the link that they can share it, or they can share it with Facebook or email it. When they close it, again, it takes them back to your website. We hope you enjoyed the video. We hope you share it. We hope your friends will share it with each other. If you have another vendor that you're using, again, just email me, Marcia@GaryGreen.com, and I'll be glad to help you get this on your site. Take care. We hope you will subscribe to the youtube.com/The Gary Green Room. As more videos are added, we'll be adding videos for the different parts of town as well, and you can add them to your websites with the same process. Thank you.